हाँ,
hypertonic solution, hypertonic solution, and
यही तो याद रखना है सब। रोज पेजेस टर्न करके एक बार रीडिंग करो, उतना ही काफी है। ओके, क्लास में सुनो ध्यान से, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड देन बिफोर माय क्लास बिगिंस यू जस्ट टर्न द पेजेस वन बाय वन एंड ट्राई टू सी, तो दैट यू रिमेंबर। ओके, ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है।
Isotonic solution.
हाँ, विच वन?
Isotonic solution.
Isotope. Okay, so Ekta will repeat all the three types. Ekta, can you repeat all the three types? हाँ, yes, Ekta.
Ma'am, isotonic solution.
हाँ, mic, see, unmute your mic. Unmute your mic first. पवन, आप तीन टाइप के बोल सकते हो सॉल्यूशंस?
यस मैम।
बोल तो जल्दी से।
हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन,
हाँ,
आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन,
वेरी गुड।
हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन।
हाँ, हाइपो और हाइपर दोनों में डिफरेंस समझ में आना चाहिए। अच्छा, अब पवन के लिए ये क्वेश्चन है कि इफ यू आर प्लेसिंग द प्लांट सेल इन द हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन तो क्या होगा? व्हाट चेंजेस विल occur?
In hypertonic solution, ma'am, in hypertonic solution, the solutes are present in lesser amount.
हाँ, हाइपरटोनिक में सॉल्यूट्स लेस है।
No, ma'am, more.
हाँ, मोर। तो अब सेल पे क्या अंतर पड़ेगा? व्हाट
Ma'am,
चेंजेस विल बी सीन इन द सेल?
then ma'am, this cytoplasm host,
हाँ,
ma'am, cytoplasm host the cell.
साइटोप्लाज्म।
I don't know.
अरे तो यही तो समझना है, इतना अपन ने क्लास में पढ़ा, फिर भूल क्यों रहे हो? ओके, किंजल साहू विल टेल मी। किंजल साहू जल्दी बोलो। रोबिशा वांट टू आंसर। सारे लोगों को आंसर देना है। उन्नति, उन्नति इज देयर? ध्रुव वांट टू आंसर। ओके, वेट। उन्नति आज है ही नहीं। अच्छा, सयुजा विल आंसर। सयुजा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so start your camera also. Okay, and answer my question. What will happen if the plant cell is placed in the hypertonic solution?
Ma'am, as we know, in hypertonic solution, the concentration of solute is more than that of which is present in the plant cell, and the solvent is less in amount. So, as we know, the tendency of water is to move from higher concentration gradient to lower concentration gradient.
Very good.
So, the water from the plant cell will move out into the hypertonic solution, and that's why the
Very
plant
good.
cell will shrink.
Plant cell will shrink. So what is that process? Plant cell will shrink, so this will be wrong. Can you correct that? What will shrink? Sayuja. हाँ, you can keep your camera on, Sayuja. हाँ, बोलो, what will shrink?
The cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. Again think. Again think. Think.
The cell will shrink.
Cell will
Cell
not shrink.
membrane.
वही तो।
cell membrane would
Cell
shrink.
Cell
membrane?
membrane.
And cell wall would
नहीं, नहीं. Why cell will not shrink? That is my question. I said cell will not shrink. So why the cell will not shrink? Sayuja, बोल सकते हो उसका आंसर?
Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am,
thinking.
because of the
हाँ, हाँ, yes, yes. Who is answering? Say again. हाँ, ध्रुव, say.
Because of active transport.
कैमरा ऑन कर लो, जैसे आंसर देते हो तो कैमरा भी ऑन कर लो। हाँ हाँ ध्रुव, कितना आंसर? Why the cell will not shrink? And if cell
Ma'am,
will
this
not
is
shrink,
because of the present cell wall.
very good. Okay, cell will not shrink. Okay, the cell wall is present, so cell will not shrink. What will shrink then, Dhruv?
Ma'am, cell membrane would shrink.
नहीं, सेल मेम्ब्रेन भी नहीं हो रहा श्रिंक, तो फिर क्या है? वाटर लॉस से अंदर पे क्या चेंजेस आ रहे हैं? सयूजा गॉट द आंसर?
Ma'am, the cell wall will remain as it is.
हाँ, ओके।
But the cell membrane will shrink, the plasma membrane will shrink.
बट इसके अलावा क्या चीज, which osmosis is going on? Moving out to which osmosis?
Exosmosis.
Okay, so now tell me that what is coming to one point, या क्या चीज concentrate हो जा रहा है अंदर का?
Vacuum.
Anyone?
Ma'am, vacuum.
साइटोप्लाज्म तो सिर्फ उसका फ्लूइड है। Now
Ma'am, the organelle.
Ma'am, vacuum.
नहीं, वैक्यूल नहीं। अभी ध्रुव ने बोला ऑर्गेनेल, तो ऑर्गेनेल भी हो रहा है, साइटोप्लाज्म भी श्रिंक हो रहा है, तो दोनों मिला के क्या कहते हैं?
Protoplasm.
So remember children, you have to say the protoplasm will get concentrated or will shrink, will come to one corner. Okay, and that process, what is that process called, Sayuja?
Exosmosis.
No, when it comes to one, Dhruv?
Plasmolysis.
Plasmolysis. So very important. Remember everyone, it is known as plasmolysis. So when the plant cell will be placed in the hypertonic solution, because of exosmosis, plasmolysis will take place. And that cell will be called as plasmolyzed cell. What it will be called?
Plasmolyzed.
प्लाज्मोलाइज्ड सेल। अब अगर हम प्लाज्मोलाइज्ड सेल को हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में रखेंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन नाउ? रोमिशा विल आंसर। रोमिशा जल्दी से बोलो।
The protoplasm will contract.
प्रोटोप्लाज्म विल constrict. Think.
Ma'am, it will bulge out.
Bulge out saying will be wrong.
Ma'am, expand.
Expand भी नहीं बोल सकते।
मैम swell up.
Swell up भी नहीं बोलना। और बोलो क्या?
And
Ma'am, burst out.
नो ना, बर्स्ट कहाँ हो रहा है?
animal
पहले
cell.
तो बोलो कि क्या प्रोसेस क्या होगा? If you are placing it in
Deplasmolysis.
Deplasmolysis is the process, correct? Okay, but what changes are happening? What is resulting in deplasmolysis?
The
Endosmosis.
water will enter in the
Water
cell.
will enter. ठीक है. What is that process called?
Endosmosis.
Endosmosis.
तो प्रोटोप्लाज्म का what changes will happen in the protoplasm? अपन पहले में बोल रहे थे कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म is getting concentrated to one corner. Okay, अब इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? एंडोस्मोसिस होगा तो
The solvent concentration of the protoplasm would increase.
See children, you will say the protoplasm will come to its original form. ना तो वो bulge होगा, ना तो वो swell होगा, ना तो वो expand होगा. What you say, it will come in its
Original.
original form. Is it clear? Or it will spread up in the cell. और कितना जितना पहले था. Is it very clear to you? Okay. Now tell me which organelle is remaining. Did you all see the syllabus? I told you that क्या क्या पढ़ना है उसमें सब जल्दी बताओ कि क्या अपना बचा हुआ है. So we'll do it quickly. Say soon.
Ma'am,
Which organelle is remaining?
Golgi apparatus.
Endoplasmic
Reticulum.
vacuoles.
Endoplasmic reticulum,
Vacuole.
Golgi complex and
Vacuoles.
चलिए, so now you can put today's date in your notebook. अच्छा, I want to see your notebook. Harish will show me the notebook. कैमरा के सामने लेके आओ. Just show me your notebook. So I want everyone to show me like that only. पवन धाकर, कीप योर नोटबुक रेडी। हरीश के बाद आपको दिखाना है
Yes, ma'am.
that you are doing the work date wise. Where is your notebook? हाँ पवन, हाँ ओके, वेरी गुड हरीश। सबको दिख रहा है कि नहीं? All can see like that only. हाँ very good. This is your what is the heading? Let me see. Structure of the okay. I am pinning it up so I will be able to see. Very good. Structure of mitochondria. So are you answering the questions which are given? Very good. So this is your lecture notebook or fair notebook, Harish? This is which notebook? फेयर नोटबुक जिसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखते हो कि जो लेक्चर्स नोट करते हो क्लास के समय?
मैम लेक्चर नोटबुक।
ये लेक्चर नोटबुक है?
यस मैम, दिस वाज द लेक्चर नोटबुक एंड आई हैव क्वेश्चन आंसर्स
इन अनदर नोटबुक
कॉपी। यस मैम।
अच्छा, तो लेक्चर नोटबुक में एक एक पेज क्यों छोड़ रहे हो फालतू के लिए? इस तरफ का आपका ड्राइंग पेज है ना?
यस मैम।
तो ड्राइंग पेज मत छोड़ो, ड्राइंग पेज में मार्जिन बनाओ, डेट डालो, उसमें भी लिख लो। ओके, लेक्चर नोटबुक तो दोनों पेजेस में लिखते जाओ। आर यू गेटिंग माय? टू वेस्ट द
ओके मैम।
शेयर नोटबुक में बस ऐसा करना है कि अपन को ड्राइंग पेज रखना है, क्योंकि ड्राइंग पेज में डायग्राम बनाओगे। ओके, लेक्चर नोटबुक तो दोनों पेज यूज करो। रिमेंबर, जैसे आज अपन का आधा पेज तक लिखा है, बाकी आधा पेज खाली है, तो वो लाइन खींचो। ओके, ड्रॉ द लाइन, पुट द डेट एंड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सेम पेज। 4 लाइन्स भी बची है तो वहां से स्टार्ट कर दो। जस्ट पुट द डेट। आर यू गेटिंग?
यस मैम।
दिस इज फॉर एवरीवन चिल्ड्रन। लेक्चर नोटबुक में children no need to leave the pages or any space. Is it clear? In lecture notebook, what you will do? What you will do? You will use each and every space in the notebook. बस क्या करना है? डेट डालते जाना है। आज लिखा जितना हुआ उधर लाइन खींचो, दूसरे दिन फिर उधरी से लिखना चालू करो। That you have to do. But in your fair notebook, okay, in that you try to do the work very systematically. Okay, drawing page, you draw the diagrams. Okay, so whatever I can't tell you, see, by seeing your notebook, I could make it out. And I could tell you that this can be done. Okay, no need to waste the pages in the lecture notebook. Acha, now who is showing?
मैं पवन।
Pavan. Come on, Pavan. Very good, Pavan. I'll pin up and now I'll be able to see better. Okay, this is which notebook, Pavan?
मैं फेयर।
This is your classwork notebook. तो अपन पढ़ते समय
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
नोट करते हो, ये दो है कि क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है। अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है, समझे?
यस मैम।
ठीक है। और ये बता, लेक्चर नोटबुक कहाँ है, जिसमें आप जो हम पढ़ाते समय बोलते जाते हो, वो आप इसमें नोट करते हो?
यस मैम।
वो वाली नोटबुक कैसी है?
मैम ये फेयर है मैम, लेक्चर वाली भी मैम इसी में कर दी है मैंने।
सब कुछ इसी में है?
यस मैम।
नहीं, इसमें दो अलग रखो। लेक्चर नोटबुक में ना तो बहुत सारा करके जाते हो, शेयर नोटबुक
Yes,
में क्वेश्चन आंसर।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक
Yes,
है?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next now who is showing? Archie Sahu, can you show me? Archie
Yes,
Sahu?
ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाओ। पहले लेक्चर नोटबुक दिखाओ। I want to
Yes,
see.
ma'am. 1 minute.
You show me, everyone will show me the lecture notebook first, and then because other one you are sending the PDF, isn't it? So that's why I'm seeing. But I want to see, because lecture notebook is very important. I come to know your work, your sincerity, everything by your lecture notebook. And how quickly and how systematically you note down when I'm explaining the things. Archie, click now.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
1 minute. अरे सब लोग रेडी रहो। सृष्टि शर्मा will be ready now next. Okay? ठीक है।
Ma'am, show me both the pages ना। तो एक पेज
ब्लैंक छोड़ रहे हो मतलब, ये ब्लैंक क्यों छोड़ रखे हैं फालतू के लिए आज चीज? आपको दोनों
मैम
हाँ, और ये वाली नोटबुक नहीं बनानी थी, रूल ही बना लेते तो आपका ब्लैंक पेज फालतू छूटता ही नहीं। ठीक है, दोनों पेज पर लिखो। ओके आरची,
यस मैम,
write it on both the sides of this notebook. Okay, both the pages.
यस मैम,
हाँ, बस डेट डालना
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
ओपन डिस्कस करते हैं वो लिखते जाना है। Okay, very nice. So this way now, next some other notebooks I will be seeing. Shishti Sharma is ready. हाँ, Shishti दिखा दो, हाँ, very good. हाँ, दिखा दो, that only you show. हाँ, okay, Shishti. This is again your blank one only. Lecture notebook or fair notebook?
I will make margins here and I will complete it.
Bring it nearer to the camera. Okay, this is your question answers. This too I have seen because you are sending. या आप भेजोगे ही तो इसको तो देख सकते हैं। लेक्चर नोटबुक दिखाओ।
Actually, I have written letters in my rough copy because I was not clear that.
अच्छा, in your rough notebook. So show me your rough notebook. No problem. जो लास्ट पीरियड में नोट लिया था वो रफ नोटबुक दिखा दो। You can show me that rough also. अच्छा अच्छा, wait. It's not clear. Bring it little down. Now show me. Shishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me now. Lecture notebook. Acha, this is which what you have noted. Okay. Bring it further near the camera. Acha, okay. ठीक है. So you understood, children? What you have to do? Lecture note. Pushkar, can you show me yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Show your lecture notebook. Okay. So every day when we have the class, you know, like this only I want. Turn the pages, show me. Correct, show it to me. So remember children, this way only ना you have to write both the sides. बिल्कुल जगह छोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं, ये तो अपना काम है. This is your notebook. Okay, you are writing the things for your understanding. Very good. Okay, Pushkar. So keep noting. अपन कुछ भी डिस्कस करते हैं टॉपिक वो आप इसमें नोट करते जाओ, क्योंकि कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हर टॉपिक जो अपन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हर चीज का क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग होगा, isn't it? That will not be there. So that's why you can read the lecture notebook and you will be able to understand so many things there. Fine. So I am presenting my screen, children. So you can also now switch off your camera and you can do the work now. Can you see my screen, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have completed with endoplasmic reticulum, children,
No,
or
ma'am.
not?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So now, we'll do that only.
सुनती है, दूसरी परमिशन नहीं सुनती क्या?
Children, I am showing you this endocytosis and exocytosis. Try to see this. Once, then I'll take up that.
Cells carry out various functions. They need to transport many substances and cellular products in bulk into the cell, as well as release waste products and other materials. This needs to happen very quickly. For this, cells use a process in which the material is carried in and out using small bag or sac-like structures known as vesicles. These vesicles are made of the cell membrane itself. The process of movement of molecules into the cell is known as endocytosis. Movement of the molecules out of the cell is known as exocytosis. Let's take a look at how these processes take place. Cells often need to absorb substances such as nutrients. When the particles or molecules that are to be absorbed reach the cell membrane bends inwards and forms a pouch-like structure or vesicle around the molecules. This vesicle then breaks away from the cell membrane and moves into the cytoplasm, carrying the material along with it.
Understood endocytosis, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly see
On
this.
the other hand, when the cell needs to remove waste material or release material to be used in the other parts of the body, the material is first enclosed in a sac or a vesicle. This vesicle moves towards the cell membrane and becomes a part of it. The vesicle then opens up and the particles are released outside the cell. Let's summarize what we have seen. In endocytosis, molecules move into the cell, whereas in exocytosis, molecules move out of the cell. Vesicles are created at the cell membrane to transport the molecules into the cell during endocytosis, whereas vesicles are destroyed when they merge into the cell membrane in exocytosis. In endocytosis, a cell such as the amoeba receives nutrients. Sometimes, cells such as white blood corpuscles engulf disease-causing agents such as bacteria that are harmful to the body and destroy them. In exocytosis, waste materials as well as other products that can be used elsewhere in the body are released from the cell.
All have understood the differences between endocytosis and exocytosis, children? You can note down, okay? It can be asked in the exam. You can note down the differences between endocytosis and exocytosis. Noting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
note down.
Cytosis, ma'am, does this cytosis occur in organism like amoeba or normal like we also?
No, in other multicellular organisms, this endocytosis will not occur. Okay, the endocytosis occurs in the unicellular organisms as a mode of nutrition. Okay, but in our cases, you find the WBCs are there. They are doing this endocytosis. The macrophages are there. They do endocytosis. Okay, means a single cell, if it is engulfing any material inside it and digesting it, So you call that process as endocytosis. Okay, so in our body also, WBCs do that work. Whenever any pathogen enters the body, and if it has to be destroyed, so that WBC will engulf it. Okay, so that engulfing is only, that is through the cell membrane it will enter, you call it as endocytosis. Same way macrophages are there. In the tissues chapter, we'll be studying. Okay, macrophages are present in the areolar tissue, and they will also, if some pathogen enters, so they will also destroy it by doing this endocytosis. मतलब वो अपने अंदर ले लेता है उसको, the pathogen. Okay, so this will occur in our body also in two different cells, which I have said. Noted, everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubt. See, children, I am discussing many things in the class during my lectures. So you have to note down, because you do not know that from which part the questions can be framed. Okay, MCQ can be given on all these things what I am discussing in the class. And if you are noting the things seriously, sincerely, you will be able to answer all questions. Okay, so don't think that just reading the textbook will only help. Okay, textbook भी reading करना है, पूरी lecture notebook भी read करना है, question answers form में जो आप other notebook you are writing, that also you have to go through. Okay, that also you have to prepare for your descriptive paper. Noted?
No, ma'am.
Okay, note down. That children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now three topics, that is your endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and vacuoles, which are remaining, I'll take up next class. Okay, so it is already 2:11, children. I'm stopping the sharing. I sent the pics of the Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum, children. You all draw it. Okay. Did you receive the other figures which I have sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that cell membrane structure which I have sent, practice that figure. Okay, all of you all draw it in your notebook. That is in your lecture notebook. Okay, and where I have given the describe the structure of cell membrane, in fair also you draw it and try to practice it. Okay, so we'll end up the class.